Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are in the life sciences space and looking for a reliable CRM solution, you have probably heard of Veeva Vault CRM. But is it any good in 2025? Stick around because today we are breaking down the pros, cons, features, and whether it's worth your time and investment. What is Veeva Vault CRM? Veeva Vault CRM is part of the Veeva ecosystem, a cloud-based solution specifically designed for pharmaceutical and life sciences companies. Unlike traditional CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, Veeva Vault CRM is tailored for regulated environments, think compliance, field medical sales, and clinical teams. It is not just another CRM, it's built with GXP compliance, real-time data access, and industry workflows in mind. Top features. Now let's quickly go over some of its standout features in 2025. Number one, we have Field CRM integration. Veeva Vault CRM now fully integrates with Veeva's Field Medical and Commercial Cloud, allowing reps to coordinate in real time. Multi-channel capabilities. You can manage email, face-to-face visits, and remote meetings all from one platform. Medical and commercial collaboration. Cross-functional insights are now easier thanks to unified data flows between medical and commercial teams. Compliance and audit trails. Everything is documented automatically, helping you stay inspection ready. AI-driven insights. The 2025 vision brings in smarter analytics, suggesting next best actions and content recommendations powered by AI. Pros. So what makes Veeva Vault CRM stand out? Purpose-built for life sciences. Unlike generic CRMs, it's tailored to your industry. Regulatory compliance. Built-in features to meet FDA, EMA, and other global regulations. Seamless integration. Works perfectly with Veeva Vault promo mats, midcoms, and quality docs. Real-time updates. Cloud first and mobile ready. Cons. Despite the previous pros, it's not all perfect. And con number one is pricing. It is definitely on the expensive side, especially for smaller biotechs or startups. Complexity. The system can be overkill for teams not dealing with strict regulatory environments. Customization limitations. While robust, it is not as flexible as open platform CRMs like Salesforce for custom workflows. Who is it for? Veeva Vault CRM is ideal for mid to large life sciences companies, especially those with sales reps, medical science liaisons, and compliance heavy workflows. If you are in pharma, biotech, or med devices and need GXP compliant data flows, it is a top contender. Final verdict. So, is Veeva Vault CRM worth it in 2025? If you are in the life sciences space, the answer is yes. It's powerful, compliant, and built for your needs. But if you are a smaller company or do not need industry specific tools, you might find it overwhelming and overpriced. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments, are you using Veeva Vault CRM or considering it? I would love to hear your thoughts. And see you in the next video.